When it comes to choosing between ActiveCampaign and Campaign Monitor, the decision often comes down to their reporting features. Both platforms promise powerful tools for email marketing, but which one has the better reporting features to truly help you optimize your campaigns? Let's break down the key differences, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one might work best for you. First off, ActiveCampaign's reporting system is pretty robust. It offers in-depth reporting with things like open rates, click-through rates, and engagement metrics. But what stands out with ActiveCampaign is the automation reports. You can track how your email automations are performing, seeing exactly where people drop off in the funnel. However, there's a downside. The interface can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to the platform. There's a steep learning curve with their reporting tools, and it's easy to get lost in all the data. So, while the insights are comprehensive, they can sometimes be more complicated than necessary. Next, Campaign Monitor brings a much cleaner, more user-friendly interface to the table. Their reports focus on the basics, open rates, clicks, and conversions, but they do a good job of presenting this data in a way that's easy to understand. One of their standout features is the ability to segment reports by different audiences, which is great for tracking different customer journeys. However, Campaign Monitor lacks the depth that ActiveCampaign offers when it comes to automation and advanced metrics. If you're looking for a detailed breakdown of user behavior or the effectiveness of your automations, Campaign Monitor won't give you that level of insight. The third thing to consider is how each platform handles A/B testing. ActiveCampaign gives you the ability to test everything from subject lines to entire email workflows. You can then dig into detailed reporting to see which variation is performing best. This level of insight is something Campaign Monitor lacks. While it offers basic A/B testing, the reporting tools around it don't give you as much detailed feedback on why a particular version of your email performed better. Now, let's talk about customization. ActiveCampaign is great for those who want to dive deep and customize their reporting. You can create custom reports to track specific metrics that matter most to your business. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, keeps things simpler. While you do have access to pre-built reports, the customization options are limited. This might be a pro for some, as it makes the platform easier to use, but if you need more flexibility, it might feel restrictive. The fifth thing to note is the integration options. ActiveCampaign has strong integration capabilities with a variety of third-party tools, which allows you to pull in data from other platforms and create reports that are tailored to your entire marketing ecosystem. Campaign Monitor, though still offering integrations, doesn't quite offer the same range. So, if you're relying on other tools for your marketing or need data from a variety of sources, ActiveCampaign will give you more flexibility in this area. The sixth thing to consider is the ease of reporting sharing. Both platforms allow you to share your reports, but ActiveCampaign offers more in-depth options for collaboration, letting you share detailed reports with team members and clients in a way that's just a bit more polished. Campaign Monitor's sharing features are there, but they don't quite allow for the same level of customization or ease of access to the data. Finally, while both platforms are strong contenders for marketers looking to track email campaigns, there is one area where neither excels: overall simplicity for beginners. ActiveCampaign can be overwhelming with its complexity, while Campaign Monitor can feel too basic for those who need advanced insights. So, after testing both platforms thoroughly, I have to say they each have their strengths, but when it comes to the most comprehensive and customizable reporting features, ActiveCampaign takes the lead. However, if you're looking for something more user-friendly with a solid range of basic reports, Campaign Monitor might be a better choice for you. But here's the thing, both of these platforms are great, but if you're looking for something with even more powerful features and a user-friendly interface, then you should definitely check out the tool in the first link in the description. I've tried it myself, and it provides a much smoother experience, along with better reporting capabilities for your email campaigns. Plus, if you sign up through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial offer that you can't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link in the description to explore the best alternative for your reporting needs.